Ho preso la scuola di chitarra, ho preso Vuoi parlare così?
Non eravamo su Roma di conoscere.
Many presidents have been involved in things very big. They never had to go through anything before. They considered it to be totally uncontroversial. And the Democrats and Congress and Texas never had to negotiating about it, which is infinite right now. And they should never have to go with the presidents and never get the president. We have a lot of ships coming up to Texas and Louisiana. It's a line of ships to the satellite. We have a line of ships, big ones, 2 million barrels. And they come literally hundreds of ships. They're going to take, I mean, they're already started. But we're selling